If your iPhone's display is stuck on white screen, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, first of all, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if you have done that and if this fixed your issue, then just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be completely fixed through a software update. But if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix iPhone is stuck on white screen on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.